Hello, my favorite first grade friends. Today, in honor of Mother's Day, we're going to read one of my favorite stories about a mother named Mother Bruce. And on the back, it says, Bruce's dinner recipe calls for eggs. But when the eggs call back, this grumpy bear is in for an unwelcome surprise. Oh boy. Now these eggs I picked out of the coop at my father-in-law's house. He has chickens in his backyard. Pretty cool. All right. Mother Bruce, written by Ryan T. Higgins. Mother Bruce. Now this reminds me of another story we've read, Mother Goose. I used to read that when I was a little girl. Text-to-text connection. Bruce was a bear who lived all by himself. He was a grump. He did not like sunny days. He did not like rain. He did not like cute little animals. Who doesn't like cute little animals? Sounds like Krabby Cat here. Bruce only liked one thing, eggs. He collected them from all over the forest. Good morning, Mrs. Sparrow. But Bruce didn't eat eggs raw like other bears. Instead, he cooked them into fancy recipes that he found on the internet. One day, Bruce came across a recipe for hard-boiled goose eggs drizzled with honey salmon sauce. So he went out to get the ingredients. First, he caught a few salmon. Then he collected honey from a local beehive. He liked to support local businesses, you see. And last, he went to Mrs. Goose's nest to pay her a visit. Are these eggs free-range organic? At home, Bruce prepared the eggs for hard boiling. Have any of you ever made hard-boiled eggs before? Just boil them in the water. But the fire in his stove fizzled, so he went out to get more wood. When Bruce came back, he was met with an unwelcome surprise. So he put the eggs in the pot. He's trying to cook them. He walks outside and something happens. What do you think is going to happen to his eggs? Let's see. Mama, 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 mama! Bruce became the victim of mistaken identity. Bruce wanted hard-boiled eggs, not goslings. He supposed he could settle for buttered goslings on toast, but for some reason, he lost his appetite. Bruce scooped up the little geese and stomped back to their nest, only to find Mrs. Goose had flown south early. I will have to ask Mrs. Goose about her return policy. Be back in April. Mrs. Goose. Oh no. Oh no. Bruce left the goslings there anyway and went back home. But he was followed. Mama, Mama. Bruce was very stern and said things like, "Go away," and "I am not your mother," and also, "I liked you better when you were eggs." Bruce could take it no longer and became extra grumpy with them. Bruce. Oops, sorry. It didn't work. Goslings always follow their mother, even if she is a he and he is a bear. Mama! Mama? Poor Bruce. Bruce was stuck with them. He tried to make the best of it. It was hard work. I like that one. Ew! Yuck. As the seasons passed, Bruce watched the pesky goslings grow older. Annoying baby geese, stubborn teenage geese, boring adult geese. Then one fall afternoon, he saw other goose families flying south. Finally, he'd be rid of those geese, and he could take a long winter nap. Bruce explained migration. See, you fly up into the sky, and then you fly south, and then you go away forever. But they didn't listen. What does it look like the geese did instead? Instead of flying south where it was warmer, they decided to put on some winter clothes. That's funny. Bruce needed the geese to leave, so he got creative. Nothing worked. The geese would not leave Bruce. Bzz, bzz, ah. Bruce sighed. So Bruce decided to pack some bags and take his geese into town. They boarded a bus and migrated to Miami. Oh. Now every winter, Bruce and his geese head south together. They laze about at the beach in tacky shirts, sipping ice-cold lemonade, while Bruce dreams of new recipes that don't hatch. Oh my goodness, look at this. There's one of the geese, and a little sea turtle crawled up. Mama? So, that was Mother Bruce, written by Ryan T. Higgins. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms, aunts, grandmas, and mother figures out there. Thank you for everything that you do for our students. Have a great weekend.